exhaust. Cardboard and ink declare.
I heard because I knew I was working today.
Short on campaign money, no food, God bless, please care. And I wonder where he's gone. Did he leave it lying somewhere?
It's feeling kind of empty. But, I just want it to be over and done with. If I'm going to be out of here, I need to, I want to just go, get out of here.
The dream keeper's lamp just burning out one night while we sleep.
Go ahead and close my console down.
I can see you from my window.
You still have power.
Prostitute on the street. Her pale face, frozen heart. Steady stroll like a broken reed. I wonder where she's gone. Where she's gone. Big light turned down the alleyway. Ditch the cops. Some laughter, but mostly pain.
Yeah, they took it out right across the street. Oh, is it rain? Oh, yeah.
I wonder where she's been. Why all the tricks? They for the fix, pushing through her veins. And I wonder where she's gone. She leave it lying somewhere in the street. 'Cause I wonder where it's gone. Is the dream keeper's lamp just burned out one night? Well, I wonder where it's gone. Did I leave it lying somewhere in the street? 'Cause I wonder where it's gone.
5 o'clock.
Is the dream keeper's lamp just burned out one night? Well, I wonder where it's gone. Did I leave it lying somewhere in the street? 'Cause I wonder where it's gone. Is the dream keeper's lamp just burned out one night while we sleep?
See you, kiddo.
Okay, I'm locking it up. This is it. You know, I've closed down 2 other businesses besides this one we've had for years. One that belonged to my grandfather. And so, you know, I've been here before. But one thing I've known is when it's time, it's time. And this is the time. See you, Al.
And I wonder where it's
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
Oh, see ya. I'm here Monday.
See the taillights rolls on. Dirty moon filtered sun. Bad news, bad air. A tired spirit burns on. And I wonder where it's going. Where it's going. And I wonder where it's going. Did I leave it lying so? Big December moon, there's snow in Amarillo. And the highway is closed at Wichita Falls. Big December moon, there's snow in Amarillo.
On one side, I'm very excited. On the other side, I'm as scared as you can get. So it's kind of a two-way street, kind of a teeter-totter, as you might think. One minute you're feeling really good about it, the next minute you're going, oh no, what are we going to handle? How are we going to solve that problem? So I guess that's where I'm at right now. I am excited.
Oh, yeah.
Texas swinging, king of the road, asleep at the wheel. Big December moon, there's snow in Amarillo, and the highway is closed at Wichita Falls. Big December moon. Looks like we're in for heavy weather. Looks like we're in for a storm. There blows a humid wind as the lightning silhouettes of the clouds in morn. And I hear the thunder in your voice. Well, it sounds as if you have made your choice. So say your goodbyes, get on with it. Oh, yes. Get on with it. Get on with it. Get on with it.
Today is closing day, and I don't want to ponder on that. So my plans are to go home and act like it's a normal day. Go home, have some supper, sit down, relax for an hour or so, and then go to bed. Just like I'm going to get up tomorrow morning and go to work just like normal, except tomorrow morning won't be normal. I hope to deal with that tomorrow. I don't feel I'm a very strong man at all, but I am a man of faith. And in that, if you can draw strength from that faith. And I think that's where my greatest strength comes from. Besides that, my greatest strength comes from having a great group of friends around me that are believers in me more so than I am believers in myself.
Get on with it. Get on with it. No, 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 yeah.
I had no idea why I went through what I went through last September. And I don't want anybody to go through that kind of thing. But from what I went through, I gained the strength to do what I'm doing right now. This is going to be my office, eventually. And I don't know if it's dark or if it's light enough to, but the desks will go here. The printers and copiers will go there. All of this will be storage along here. Obviously, this all comes later because the office is the last thing you do. You got to operate first. I am scared, yeah, but there's one side of me that's just I'm so anxious and so excited, and there's the other side of me I am just as scared as I can get. But you know, that's a part of what I've always been like anyway. So. But I'm dealing with it a whole lot better than I dealt with the first one.
they're reminded of their own disappointments. It's all fun and games till that same somebody on the cover of his magazine. Looks like your ship is coming.
Wasn't that long ago we prayed over the other building as Lyle stepped out by faith and started the business back up. We know all the parts will come together. Lord, I pray for Lyle for wisdom to be a godly manager with integrity, not just with the public and the customers, but Lord, with his employees. In those times of stress over the next few days, give him special grace and patience.
Father God, I'm so thankful for everything you've done for me. And Father, I just ask you that that your love and light would shine through us, and that people will be affected as they walk in the door, as they see the place. Lord, I do ask for profitability, but Father, I ask for more than that, that my crew would be good servants, that they would be good, that they would honestly care for each and every person that walks through the door, and not for just the bills that are put on the table. Lord, I just so very thankful, and I dedicate this to you. And am I strong? I'm stronger than I was, but I'm still not there. I still wake up in the middle of the night and panic on the whole thing. But when the sun comes up in the morning and we're rolling, then I'm back in the saddle again, and things seem to be okay.
And I hear the thunder in your voice. Well, it sounds as if you have made your choice. So say your goodbyes and get on with it. Oh, yes. Get on with it. Get on with it. Get on with it. Well, there's a way